Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tutorialify. Today in this video we will be learning how you can log into Canva using your Microsoft account. So let's get started. Launch open the Canva application on your mobile device first. You may also visit canva.com on a web browser. Once you see this sign up interface for Canva, tap on Continue Another Way option from the list. Now, you can see the Continue with Microsoft option. Tap on it. In the pop-up, click on Continue to get to canva.com on a web browser. This will now take you to the Microsoft account login option. Enter the sign-in credential for your Microsoft account. Type in your email address, phone number or Skype ID associated with your Microsoft account. Once you do that, click the Next button. On the next page, it will ask you to enter your Microsoft account's password. Type in your Microsoft password in the text box and tap on Sign In. Soon after you do that, you will then be able to see that you have been redirected to your Canva account, and that's how you easily log into your Canva account using your Microsoft account's credentials. If you found the video helpful, make sure to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.